In this video, we'll create an alert design flow from scratch to get the list of houses which are below a certain price. To start creating a new flow, click on the plus button and select the new flow. I will name it as alert design demo and click on create. It will take you to the flow window. Now we will drag and drop the stitched housing data from the datasets tab. This dataset contains average listing price of the houses with their geographic location and state. Now we want to create an alert which gives us list of houses which are below a particular price point in this data. To do this, we'll add a filter facet to our dataset. Hover the mouse over imported facet, click on plus button, type filter in the search bar and select the filter facet. Now we'll click on edit and let's name it as less than 200k. In the expression, we'll write as average underscore listing underscore price is less than 200k because this column contains the house prices in our dataset. And press enter. After completing the expression, we'll click on update. Now we will create two copies of this filter data. First is to export as CSV and second to create the alert. To do this, we'll type copy in the facet search bars and add a copy facet to the filter facet. Enter number of copies as 2 and click on update. Now we'll go to marketplace. It's the shopping cart icon on the left hand panel. We'll search the email report facet and purchase it. It's free of cost. And go back to our main project window again. Now we will add the email report facet to our flow which we purchased from the marketplace. To do this, we'll need to click on the copy facet, then we'll search custom facet in the facet search bar and select the output custom facet. Also, we'll add the exported facet, then again click on copy facet and search exported in the facet search bar to add the export facet. Now we need to select the edit for the export facet. We'll name this facet as MA houses and select the file type as CSV and we'll give the dataset name as MA underscore houses and click on update. Now we need to select edit for the custom facet. We'll select the custom facet as email report and now we need to enter the email ID to which we want to send the email alert. Here I'm typing my email ID vinagalo@ikigai.io. In the subject we can type here as houses under 200k and the body I'll write it as please find the attachment and click on update. Now our flow for alert design is ready and we can click on the run button. Once the run is complete, I will get an email in my inbox stating that house is under 200k and it will have a list of all the houses which are under 200k. The run is complete and I'm opening my Outlook email. Here it is. I have already received an email from Ikigai and I can see my CSV file in it. We can open and see the list of all the houses which are under 200k. It's done. We have created an email alert design flow from scratch. Thank you.